Welcome. In front of me is a Anker webcam, and this is the C310 webcam. And today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at it. Now I won't be plugging it in, just to add. So before I pop it open, let's take a quick look at the box, as there is several information that might be very useful to the quality of this cam. So it's a 4K AI webcam, AI powered. Again, there's bunch of BS with the AI. Have HDR, 95-degree field of view, and 2 microphones built into it. And then at the back we have a little bit more sharp 12 megapixel 4K lens, so that's pretty neat. And we can do 1080p at 60 frames per second with apparently HDR, which we have 60 FPS HDR. We have instant autofocus powered by AI. I'm not sure how AI is affecting autofocus. Usually it's just a software. So adding AI to everything is just, like I said, marketing. And nowadays I think manufacturers or companies are starting to wake the hell up and realize that if we put AI, it sells worse because no one gives a shit about it in reality. So yeah, don't really like to see AI. It's now even worse considering Apple decided to call it Apple Intelligence. So it just gives me literal cancer when I see AI anywhere. And I also want to kind of clarify this. It's a hatred because there is nothing actually AI. Any kind of like chat GPTs and all that stuff, it's not AI in reality. It's just artificial and intelligence with a separation between, like Linus stated. So yeah, it's basically an algorithm that scours internet, for instance, when it comes onto ChatGPT, and then gives you what it thinks would be the best response from thousands of conversations on internet with the same kind of reference, and then just tries to combine all of that into a single sentence from different places. So it's not really intelligence, it's just a regurgitation of everything that is found on the internet. And same thing goes for things like instantaneous autofocus. They most likely just have thousands or millions of thousands of scenarios where the camera has a point where it's supposed to be based on other reference points. Not really AI when you put it like that, right? Though keep in mind, I am just completely kind of going on a whim and guessing here. Now, furthermore, we have a smart auto framing. It's interesting. Adjustable field of view from 65 degree to 95. That is actually pretty nice feature. And in the box, we have obviously the webcam and a Type A cable. So let's pop it open. Go. Warranty card, and that's it. Cool. I don't have instruction. The webcam itself, it's actually bigger than I expected. That's what she said. And there we go. And the cable, Type A to Type C. So it is a bit chunky of a cam. It has a thread mounting right here, so you can put it on like a tripod or something like that. We have a little, what you call those? Not lens. I just went completely brain dead here. I can't remember the name for it. It's not shutter. Anyway, disregarding that, me not being able to remember the name. At the bottom, we have adjustable foot almost. This is so you can mount it to things like laptops or monitors at the back. So if I were to bring up something that could imitate that. Hello, Anker. Well, that's too thick. I guess this will be good enough. So when you have things like a monitor, you can just bend that, plop it on, and it just sits on there. So this you can bend it more so it has a more aggressive angle. and it's usable for things like laptops and normal screens, so that's pretty cool. If you want, you can also put it on your TV, though not sure why you did that. And we here have the shutter switch. So this is actually pretty cool. So I actually thought that initially that's a shutter. This is just what you could consider a privacy mode. You have a physical way of swapping that on and off, so the camera can't see anything. That's a pretty cool feature, and as you can see, it works pretty well. I mean, not much there to, engineer. So there we go. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.